Today I'm bringing you inside my suite at the beautiful Wynn Las Vegas. It's one of the highest rated hotels on the Strip, known for its top tier service, serene atmosphere, and elegance. It's one of the most luxurious places you can stay in Las Vegas, so let's see if it's worth the hype. And I will tell you how you can get some of the FHR benefits even if you do not have the Platinum card. This suite is called the Wynn Parlor Suite, and it is located in the Tower Suites, which is just a separate part of the hotel for guests staying in suites. You can also book a standard room and pay extra to stay in the Tower Suites. The Tower Suites has a separate entrance from the main hotel entrance, so you don't have a long walk through the casino and large crowds. The Tower Suites entrance has a koi pond and is beautifully decorated with marble and kind staff. This suite is 1,280 square feet with separate living and sleeping rooms. It has two 65-inch 4K UHD TVs as well as new integrated power outlets with USB ports and touchscreen controls for curtains and lighting at every nightstand. It comes with a $50 daily breakfast credit, which is a benefit you receive even if you do not have the Amex Platinum card, complimentary morning coffee and tea service, and again, this is another benefit that comes with the suite and does not require the Amex Platinum card. It has an ensuite marble bathroom with a deep soaking jetted tub. It has twice daily housekeeping with nightly turn down service and an espresso coffee maker. Before I tell you about my in-room dining and restaurant experience here, I want to share with you how you can also get $125 to $250 in credits when you stay here. If you create a free rewards account at winlasvegas.com, you can catch a promotion that they run frequently where if you stay between 2 and 4 nights, you will get a $125 hotel credit, and if you stay 5 nights or more, you will receive a $250 hotel credit. So if you are someone who wants the benefits of the Amex Platinum card but can't justify the annual fee, lots of luxury hotels and the FHR program have their own loyalty and rewards programs where you can get complimentary breakfast, credits, and room upgrades. Mandarin Oriental is another great example, and if you are a member, you can choose 2 free gifts with each booking. We ordered in-room dining every single day that we were here. One afternoon we ordered 3 cookies and it came to $60, which is insane, but it was a fun experience. The first night I ordered birria tacos for dinner and they were good, but they didn't have that authentic birria taste that you would get from a local food truck. I don't think it's something I would order again at a luxury hotel. I also ordered the berry cheesecake thinking it would be the same as the one they serve at the Wynn buffet, and sadly it was not. I am in love with the berry cheesecake at the Wynn buffet, and if you've never tried it, I recommend you quickly do so. The next morning I ordered a Belgian waffle for breakfast. It tasted like a normal Belgian waffle. I don't have any complaints about that. The morning after that I ordered their breakfast sandwich, and this was one of the best breakfast sandwiches I've ever eaten. It is definitely in the top 3 best sandwiches of all time, and I can't wait to go back for more. On our last day I ended up going to the cafe on the Encore side and ordered this bagel that had bacon, cheese, and ham on top of it, and then cream cheese inside of it. That was pretty good, but not spectacular like the sandwich from the day before. We also ate at Wazuzu, which is a restaurant on the Encore side as well. The decor and ambiance in this restaurant was a 10 out of 10. The food for me personally was about a 6 out of 10, but my family seemed to enjoy everything that they ordered. I don't think I would eat here again, but the presentation of the food was great and it was still a good experience. If you're looking for an amazing stay in Vegas, I think you will receive it at Wynn. I have stayed at both Wynn and Encore now, and I can confidently say that the Wynn has nicer staff and the interior is more welcoming and bright. The benefits you receive through FHR are a $200 hotel credit in the form of a statement credit, 12 p.m. check-in, a room upgrade, $60 daily breakfast credit, complimentary Wi-Fi, guaranteed 4 p.m. checkout, and a $100 experience credit, which can usually be used at certain restaurants, at the spa, and more. Between the stunning suite, the FHR perks, and a few tasty surprises, the Wynn delivers a luxury Vegas experience with great value.